Hey, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the Kingsport 199RK. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, this is going to be one of our best value models that we carry here at Funtown. So it is going to be a manual hand crank. Up front, we're also going to have our propane tank as well. Let's go along to the side here of our two-step, step above staircase. If you look up, you'll see our carefree electric awning. So you'll also see that we have our one axle here. This is a one axle model, which is going to save on weight. This is going to be a model that's towable with SUVs weighing around 3,500 dry weight. We're also going to have some outdoor speakers here on this Kingsport 199RK. Being one of our best value campers, this isn't going to be prepped for a rear view camera. However, it is going to come with the spare already installed. All right, guys, that was the outside of the Kingsport 199RK. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's go take a look inside. All right, guys, now inside this camper, I want y'all to notice our jackknife sofa that we have here right in front of our bed. Above that, we're gonna have our window that does open with shades also that are hidden behind this piece of trim. We're gonna have some additional cabinetry space for storage. And our control panel for the stereo system. This controls the speakers on the inside of the camper as well as the exterior. We're going to have our AC unit right in the middle, right above our dinette area. We're also going to have our gas and electric fridge. So it's going to be a two-person seating dinette and another window to view outside whenever we're having our meals. Being a rear kitchen, we're going to have large cabinet space here. We're going to have our dual sinks. Like I mentioned, multiple spaces to store dishes, Tupperware. And in our bathroom here, we're gonna have our toilet, our sink with additional cabinet space, and our shower that does come with the tub. In our sleeping space, we are gonna have an east to west facing bed with plenty of storage up above and to the side. Also, underneath the bed, we have some more storage. Thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of the Kingsport 199RK. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the fun starts here.